let's get started. First, we will draw a cloud. Then, we will draw a second cloud. Now, we will draw the eyes and the mouth of the cloud. After clouds, we will draw the rainbow. It's time to draw some stars. The pink color in the cheeks. Now we will color the clouds with blue. Clouds are made of tiny drops of water or ice that float in the sky. Snowflakes, clouds are all different shapes and sizes. Some even look like animals or faces. See a rainbow when it's raining on one side and sunny on the other. Clouds, we will color the rainbow violet. We will fill the yellow colors in the stars. Now, we will outline the stars with golden. This will make our stars shine bright. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.